Hey there guys, it's Kim here with YourChicGeek.com, and I wanted to just show you really quickly and just take you behind the scenes of using one of my favorite tech and visual design tools for WordPress, which is Thrive Architect. Now you can click the link below if you want to learn more about Thrive Architect and some of the more features and things like that you get access to should you decide to use this plugin, which of course I highly recommend it. But Thrive Architect is just, it's really a power-packed plugin and resource that you can use in your WordPress site to create landing pages, sales pages, webinar registration pages, any kind of page essentially that you can think of. And so what I wanted to do really quickly is to just take you guys behind the scenes and show you how quickly and how easily you can create a landing page in your WordPress website, okay, using Thrive Architect. So of course, one of the first things that you're going to have to do is, of course, get a copy of Thrive Architect. It's a one-time fee, which is something that I love. There's no recurring fees or anything like that. And so once you get the plugin, you're going to have access to it and you can use it to your heart's desire. Okay, so once you download the plugin and upload it to your site, and then after you activate it, you're going to receive an activation code, of course, from the folks over at Thrive Themes. Then what you want to do in order to create a new landing page for your site is log into the back end of your WordPress website. We're going to go to new, and then we're going to go to page. Okay, and so after you do that, you want to give your page a name. So for example, if I wanted to create a new home page for my WordPress website or a new email opt-in page, I'll just stick with that for now. Then what I'll do is just say, give the page a name. So it'll be maybe like a free report, giveaway or something like that, or maybe you can just do free report, and then you're just going to go ahead and click publish. Okay. Now here's where the fun stuff comes into play with Thrive Architect. As you can see here, underneath the title of the page, which is free report giveaway, there's a button here that says launch Thrive Architect. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and this is going to take me over into the Thrive Architect dashboard. Okay. So this is the tool, and this is what it looks like. Over here on the left side, this is where you can basically save your work after you have created and done some changes to your pages. And then over here to the right side is the different tools that you can use to dress up your page, change templates, and all of that kinds of stuff. So as you can see here, if you go over here, the first little tool is for the elements. And so what this does is let you add different elements to a regular smegular, that's what I call it, a regular WordPress page. But this is not what we want to do. We want to basically change the template, okay? We want to use an email opt-in template for this page. So what we're going to do is just click on this little button below here that says change template, okay? And then once this comes up, you're going to see something that says choose landing page template. And I have to say, guys, Thrive Architect, these guys just keep crushing it. They keep coming out with more and more and more landing pages, and like I said, I mean, there's so much that you can choose from. And so what you can do is you can go over here to the side and just kind of look through and just look at some of the different landing page sets that they have. Okay, now one of my favorites is going to be under the section that says bright. So I'm going to just select this first tab here, and then as you can see, it's going to drop down and it's going to show me all the other different landing pages that I have access to under the Bright landing page set. Okay, so as you can see, you have a download page, you have a webinar replay, a webinar live streaming, a webinar page if you missed the webinar, you want to give let somebody else get another opportunity to watch the webinar again, a lead generation page, content. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, it's just, I mean, this thing is just powerful. But what I want to do really quickly, for just the sake of brevity, is to go ahead and select the Bright lead generation page. Now, this is the template that you want to use, of course, if you are adding a page to your website, a landing page to your WordPress website, where you want to give away a free offer in order to grow your email list. Okay, so as you can see, in a matter of minutes, I was able to take my page from just a plain Jane WordPress page to now this attractive landing page that I can use to grow my email list. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to come over here to the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save Work. Okay, and then after you have saved the page, then all you need to do is to click preview, and it's going to show you now what your free report giveaway page is going to look like. And essentially this is what it is. And then from here, this is where you can go to basically, change the customize this landing page. You can change the font, you can change the title, you can change the colors, you can connect it to your email marketing service and the whole 9 yards. And you know what, as a matter of fact, I can just go through and just show you how to do this really quickly. So I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to start making some edits. So if I wanted to, give away a free report on, how to create stunning landing pages with Thrive Architect, okay, then I basically can do that here. And this is another reason why I love this tool, is because it's highly customizable. You don't have to have any kind of tech knowledge or anything like that to do it. So if I wanted to unbold this, I could do that, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go over here and then I'm gonna click save. Okay, and so if I wanted to change the background color, then I can just select this area up top. I'm going to go over to the left. I'm going to uncheck main options. I'm going to go down to background style. I'm going to click this red button because this is where the color is. And then I'm going to enter in my brand's hexadecimal color code. Okay, all right. So I'm going to click apply. As you can see, it changed the color, and then I'm going to click save work. How easy is that, right? All right, so that's done. And then here is where you can come to actually add a picture of the free thing that you want to give away, or you can actually keep this, the image that they have here, and you can basically just change the text. So you can just do something like a free guide to Thrive Architect. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight this content because it's a little too big, and I'm going to come over here to main options and over under font size. Instead of leaving this as a 38, I'm going to just bring it down because it's a little too big, right? So maybe I'll take it down to like a 30, and I think that looks good. Then you can go up here to this menu here to bold this, and then I can actually change the color of this background of this free offer that I'm giving away. So I would do that by hovering over this, going to background style, going to this color, and then from here I can, make this a little bit darker. So you see that what happened there, and voila. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and click save work, and that's it. And then you can just leave this as default. I'm going to just change the color of this text here because I don't like that. I want to make this all branded. So I'm just going to go again. I'm going to highlight the text. I'm going to go over to main options, over by color. I'm going to go ahead and again type in my hexadecimal color code, okay, for my brand. Click apply, and then click save work, and there you go. And then that's pretty much it. And then the last thing, of course, that you want to do and that you need to do in order to make sure that people get the free offer is to connect this lead generation form with your email marketing service. And so in order to do that, you want to hover over this section to highlight the lead generation form, go to connect form to service, and then from here, you want to select the email marketing service that you're using. So I'm using ActiveCampaign. I do have a tutorial that shows you how to get ActiveCampaign set up and all of that good stuff in case you're interested in looking at that. But for now, I'm going to just act like this is a new API connection. So I'm going to go to add new API connections. Okay. And so this is going to give me the list of all of the API connections that I have that you can get access to. So add new connection. You're going to go to select an app, and this is another great thing that I do love about Thrive Architect is that it connects with so many different email marketing solutions. Okay, so you have Aweber, you have Constant Contact, ConvertKit / Siva, Drip, HubSpot, Infusionsoft. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, good Lord, they've added some more stuff. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that you can connect to here. So you just want to basically select the email marketing service that you use. So if you were using iContact, you can select that, and then you would have to put in your username, your application ID, and your application password. Now, I will say, if you have issues with finding the information that you need to contact, or not to contact, but to connect to your email marketing service, it's probably best to reach out to that service provider or look online and Google, how to find the API or the application ID for iContact, and you should be able to locate that information. But once you get that information, you just click connect and you should be good to go. And then you'll know when your connection is good is because it's going to tell you, connected successfully, and then you should be good to go. Okay. And that's pretty much it. And so, guys, that's pretty much all you would have to do. And from here, I'm going to go ahead under here and click preview to preview this page. And as you can see, within a matter of minutes, with no design experience, no coding, none of that crazy stuff, I have created a stunning, I'd say, and a branded landing page that I can use to grow my email list with using Thrive Architect. So I just wanted to show you guys how powerful this tool is. Again, if you're interested in learning more about Thrive Architect, I've written up a full blog post about it. And then also you can click another link below. It'll take you directly to Thrive Architect to check it out. And I'd love to know what you think about this tool. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys go out there and rock out your landing pages like champs. Alrighty? All right, cheers. So I'll see you guys around in another video. Bye, guys.